What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Don here, back with another video. Had some bad news when I walked in the loft today. As you can see, this bird here has been attacked. She's pretty messed up. Her face got chewed on. As you can see, she's in bad shape. Her foot got torn up. She's bleeding real bad. I'm guessing a rat might have snuck in the loft overnight and chewed up on her while they were resting. I walked in, blood everywhere. And I looked around and I saw that she was all messed up. Got some blood spots on the floor also. She's pretty stressed out. She's in the corner. I just fed them. She ate. Hopefully she'll get back to good health soon. I looked around the loft. There were no signs of holes being chewed. Everything looked good. The only way something could have snuck in here was probably through the door, which is my fault. I did a terrible job making the door. I'll show you guys that now. Sometimes I do get lazy and I do not shut the loft door all the way, and it stays like that. So I'm guessing a rat might have snuck up through the cracks over there, and that bird was just unlucky. The rat got to her, chewed her up. But hopefully she gets back to good health. I will be on the lookout. I will make sure this door is shut properly so nothing else gets in there. This is the loft. This will be my race coop. Still have to make a couple of changes in the loft. But this is how it's looking. Pretty upset about the bird being attacked. But hey, it's already done. All I have to do now is just make sure it doesn't happen again. Yeah, once again, it's Don. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You guys have a great day. God bless everyone. That's it. Thank you.